Hi, my name's Scott Isaacson, and right here we're on board on the 2019 Bayliner E18, the Element 18. This is like a Swiss Army knife of the elements. What we have first, it's equipped with a 115 Mercury outboard 4-stroke motor. This size is great for all activities, whether it's just pulling a tube, wakeboarder, ski. This is definitely the upgraded motor, and it's great for all the towing sports and things like that. What we also have on this boat for your activities behind the water is the sport arch. So you have your tow point here, nice and easy because it stays above the motor, and so you can have even a couple of tubes off the back. What's also good is that this can drop down and could easily be stored in a garage. What you'll notice too, without the windshield, it's very wide open, so everyone's a part of the party. It's rated for 9 people, and I mean the thing rides really well for an 18-foot boat. It almost feels like you're driving in a car. What you'll notice behind me is a freshwater trolling motor. So now we're bringing in the fishing aspect, and you have your casting seat here with your trolling motor here. You also have below the seat conveniently is an aerator. So if it's a non-fishing day, these are easy to take off, leave in the garage. And then you have a very social, inviting spot. And then if it's a fishing day, you bring that, and underneath all these seats, you do have where everything's finished out, where the storage does have the lids. Makes it easy to walk around the entire bow. But again, really Swiss Army knife of the Element boat, where you have the freshwater trolling motor, you have the sport arch, very easy, clean, easy to read dash there. Listen to the tunes with the stereo. That's also MP3 ready. And what's great about these boats is it's including a trailer. So this boat is including a galvanized trailer in the much affordable price. So right here, 2019 Element 18. We're here at the Lakeway location. Come out and see us. Thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have 2 other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.